everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosanna, and today we're going to be making a veggie burger. This is a perfect recipe where you can start incorporating some veggies into your diet. I'm so looking forward to it. So let's go ahead and start sauteing our vegetables. For our vegetables, we're going to need half a cup of shredded zucchini. This is about half a zucchini, so we're just gonna go ahead and shred it up. Let's also go ahead and dice a whole onion. I can tell you already, this recipe is full of flavor and you are going to enjoy it every single step of the way. Oh boy, I love me some garlic. For this recipe, we're going to go ahead and mince 4 garlic cloves. We also need to go ahead and dice up some oyster mushrooms. That's right, you can also use shiitake, but that is up to your preference. I just happen to have oyster mushrooms and they actually go perfectly. So let's go ahead and just dice them up as I am doing on this video. For this recipe, I'm using 12 mushrooms. Let's now move on to our hot pan, and let's just go ahead and drizzle some olive oil into our pan. We're gonna go ahead and place our beautiful looking oyster mushrooms that we previously cut up. Once your mushrooms look beautiful like this, golden brown color, go ahead and add your onion and garlic. Now give it a quick stir to incorporate everything together, and then once in a while you can come back and give it a quick stir. Once your mix looks like this and your onions are translucent, go ahead and add your zucchini. You only need to leave your zucchini for about a minute or 2 minutes maybe until it cooks halfway through, and then your veggies should be done. Okay, our veggies smelled so delicious. So now that we have them done and ready to go, we're gonna start mixing. We're going to start with 1 14-ounce can of black beans, and I'm just gonna smash them down. Make sure you have previously drained them so there's no water in them whatsoever. Now we're gonna add half a cup of quinoa, previously cooked and cooled. Next addition is going to be our beautiful cooked veggies that we cooked like pros. To add a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 4 tablespoons of AP flour, salt and pepper to taste. I also went ahead and added 1 teaspoon of paprika just for that smokiness and that spicy flavor, but if you don't like spicy food, don't add it. And last but not least, 1 large egg yolk. Okay, so it's cooking time now. I went ahead and preheated my skillet to medium heat, and I also went ahead and added my oil to my pan. Alright, so I'm actually spooning my mix into my skillet, and once it's already in my skillet, I'm forming that round shape of a patty that I want. With this batter, if you try to form the patty in your hand, it's going to be a nightmare. Trust me, it's just easier to do it in the pan and just form that nice round shape that you want. Just make sure the bottom of your patty is very nice and crispy so that when you flip it, you have no issues. What I love about this recipe is that it's not dry, it's very nice and juicy inside and also packed with tons of flavor. And when we thought it couldn't get any better, let's go ahead and add some cheddar cheese to melt. Let's go ahead and do a visual recap of the process. Once your veggie patties are done, let's go ahead and add some butter to your hot skillet and toast some buns. This recipe actually made 8 veggie patties, so we're going to go ahead and toast the same amount of bread for them. Okay, now that our patties are done, they look so gorgeous. Look at these beauties. We're actually gonna go ahead and put them together and taste them. Okay, for my mayo, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 minced clove of garlic, 2 basil leaves, into 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. This is going to add extra flavor to our already flavorful veggie patties. And drum rolls, it's time for our patties, and look at that beautiful cheese melted right on top of it. Let's add tomatoes, onions, lettuce, and top it off with the bun. I'm so excited I get to taste this. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it all. Okay guys, look at our burger. Look how amazing that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I can't wait. Wow. I can seriously tell you, my burger does not need meat. It's so full of flavor. I'm so excited with the outcome. This is a great way to incorporate some veggies and have a great meal. This is amazing. Let me go try it one more time. This is seriously good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We reached the end of the video, so do not forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and have the rest of my burger.